Hello everyone, this is Rahul and you are watching D365 Code Lab. Here we are going to explore electronic reporting and its features. In the very first video, we are going to understand importance of configuration provider and how we can create it. To access electronic reporting feature, we have two ways. One is home page. From home page, you can directly access electronic reporting this feature. And another way is the workspaces. In the sidebar, you can see the workspaces. Under the workspaces, you can see the electronic reporting. Make it favorite. So in future, you can directly access from here. Click on electronic reporting features. You can see it here, three tiles over here, which is reporting configurations, text configurations, and metadata configurations. Another one is configuration provider and related links. Under the configuration provider, you can see the list of all configurations we can create it. By default, Microsoft provides this configuration provider. Okay, so let's say if I'm going to create one model to access the data of FNO or to import the data in FNO. So to import or export, first we need to create model. Where we can create model? In the reporting configurations. Only we can create the model. Okay. Let's say I'm going to create one model here. I'm going to give a name. That's a test, description, etc. And the configuration provider is blank. Without configuration provider, let's try to create this. You can see configuration provider is not set. So that means without configuration provider, you won't be able to create model in the electronic reporting. So first we have to create configuration provider. How we can create configuration provider? Under the related links, click on the configuration provider link. Once you click on the configuration provider link, you will see the list of all configurations. Here you can see by default Microsoft provide this configuration, but we cannot use this one because we cannot make this as a set active because this button is disabled. So we have to create our own configuration. So click on the configuration provider, click on new, give it the name LCS, whatever name you want to give, you can give. You can give it as a test or whatever name you want to give. Just give and give it the internet address name. I'm giving it here like lcs.com. You can give your name like tata.com, reliance.com, test.com, whatever you want, you can give it here. Just click on save button and close this tab. You can see the configuration provider is available here, but you cannot directly use this configuration in the model. So how we can use it? You should have to make it as a active. How to set is active? Just click on three dot and click on set active button. After that, you can see that here right sign is coming here. That means this configuration is active. Now you can go into the reporting configuration and create configuration, give it name, and you can notice here that LCS, which is we have created just now, is available here. Now you can click on create configuration. You can see that your model is created here. So this is the importance of configuration provider. I hope you understand the concept of configuration provider in electronic reporting. If you really like this video, please share with your friend and subscribe my channel. Thank you.